In today's video, I'll show you how to change your support email address in Zoho Desk. This is useful if your business email has changed or if you want your customer communication to match your current branding. To begin, log into your Zoho Desk account and open your dashboard. From here, look to the left side of the screen and click on Setup. Once you're inside Setup, move to the Channel section and select Email. This area controls all email related settings in Zoho Desk. Now you see a list of support email addresses connected to your account. Locate the email address you want to update and click on it. You'll see an option to edit the email details. Select Edit to continue. Next, enter the new email address you want to use for customer support. Make sure the spelling is correct, since this address will be used for all incoming and outgoing support emails. After that, add a friendly name. This is the name customers will see when they receive replies. So choose something clear and professional. Once everything looks good, click Save. After saving, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the support email address has been updated successfully. This confirms that your changes are active, and that's it. You've successfully changed your support email address in Zoho Desk. Keeping this information updated helps ensure smooth communication and a better experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Desk tutorials.